Now we are moving toward the second component of mental status examination, that is emotional state. Emotional state. In emotional state, an examiner or interviewer observe 2 points. One is mood and second is affect. So what is the difference between mood and affect? Mood is the just internal feelings of an individual or person. It is just internal feelings. Mood is the internal feelings of an individual. But when these internal feelings are showed by someone or an individual are expressed, it turned into affect. So affect can say that it is a visible reaction or expression. Internal feelings are just mood. When these feelings turned into expression or someone expressed him or herself and visible reaction of these feelings, it is called affect. Mood can last from hours to days, but affect is the short-lived unless it is when it is expressed. So this is the difference between mood and affect. Mood is just internal feelings, while affect is the visible reaction of that feelings. There are different types of mood. One is euthymic, sad, depressed, euphoric. So these are the types of mood. And in affect, there are different types of affect. First of all, we will discuss euthymic. Euthymic is the normal affect, normal mood. And second is that labile affect. What is labile affect? Labile affect, often called pseudo-bulbal effect. Pseudo-bulbal effect means pseudo is the medical term mean false. Sometimes the patient's rapid changes the action or feelings or emotions according to the situation. So that is why this is called the labile effect or pseudo-bulbal effect. And then flat effect. Flat affect mean the patients having no any reactions or expression according to the situations by his gestures. So this is the flat expression because there are no any expression according to the situation. And then blunted affect. Blunted affect. Blunted affect is the advanced category of flat expression or flat affect. In flat affect there is no any expression, but in blunted affect there are also no any reaction, no any expression, but it is the advanced category of flat affect. And then euphoric. Euphoric is the elevated mood, elevated affect, in which patient or someone is feeling that he or she is in the sky or flying in the air. So this is the euphoric. Or and other one is smiling affect. Patient is happy and smiling. So these are the types of affect. This is the mood and this is the affect. There is a difference between mood and affect we have discussed. Now we are moving toward the third component of mental status examination, that is thinking. So in thinking we will discuss 2 points. One is thought content and second is thought process. First of all, in thinking, one is thought content and the second point is that thought process. In third content, we will see the what is the way, what is actually thinking patient about ideas, beliefs, preoccupation and obsession. What is actually thinking about belief, ideas, obsession and preoccupation. And in thought process, how patient is thinking about these beliefs, ideas, obsession and preoccupation about either it is logical or illogical, and the way of thinking of patient about these ideas, beliefs, obsession and occupation, preoccupation. So first we will discuss about thought content. In thought content, first we will discuss about beliefs. In thinking, the patient is often delusions. Delusions are the fixed false beliefs, firm fixed false beliefs. So delusion. What are the delusions? Delusions are the fixed false beliefs, unshakable and having no any reality, but the patient is thinking about that, and a patient having these beliefs, and these beliefs, fixed false beliefs, are called the delusions. There are different types of delusions. We will discuss first of all persecutory delusion. Second is that jealousy delusion. And then grandiose delusion. Religious delusion. Nihilistic delusion. Ideas of reference. And then somatic delusion. These are the delusions. We will discuss one by one. First, we will discuss persecutory delusion.